Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ashtabula County, Northern Trumbull County, Crawford County, Pennsylvania, until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Andover and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Meadville, Titusville. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula and Trumbull, and Crawford County, Pennsylvania. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ashtabula County, Crawford County, Pennsylvania, southwestern Erie County, Pennsylvania, until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:03 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 8 miles south of Conneaut and moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Meadville, Albion, Linesville, Edinburgh, Cambridge Springs, Waterford, Union City. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Ashtabula County, Ohio, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Crawford and Erie.